In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be always online on Slack. Whether you're working remotely or just want to ensure your colleagues know you're available, keeping your status as active is essential. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to open up Slack on your computer and look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Hover over this icon and you'll notice a small circle next to your profile picture. If the circle is grayed out, it means you're currently offline. This grey indicator is what signals to others that you might not be immediately available to respond. To change this, go ahead and click on the word active. Upon clicking, you'll see that small circle turns green immediately. A green circle means you are now online, and this is visible to everyone else in your Slack workspace. This simple action communicates to your peers that you're present and ready to engage. Once you've set yourself as online, it could also be helpful to update your status to make sure everyone clearly knows your current availability. Look for the Update Your Status option. Clicking it will bring up a window where you can add or modify your personal message. In that box you can type the word online. Doing this manually reaffirms your status and helps avoid miscommunication, especially for team members who might need a clear indication of your availability for tasks, meetings, or quick discussions. After updating your status text, it's a good idea to double check your preferences to ensure everything is as you want it to be. You can do this by clicking the emoji icon in the status window, which opens up more settings and customization options. Next, locate and click on the Today option. It's important not to overlook this step as it helps set your status for the immediate term. From here, make sure you click on Don't Clear. This option ensures that your online status remains active until you decide to change it manually. That way you won't inadvertently be set to away or offline without your awareness. Finally, ensure all adjustments are locked in by clicking on the Save button. This will save your current settings and keep your status as you intend. Saving these changes completes the process and solidifies your online presence within Slack. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to keeping your status online on Slack. By following these steps, you can easily manage how you're perceived by colleagues, ensuring seamless communication. Remember, being explicit about your availability can greatly enhance team collaboration and productivity. Thanks for watching and happy slacking.